Hey, Cromer Wildcats, calling all girls 3rd through 5th grade to join us in a virtual Girls on the Run season. Meet your wonderful coaches, the fabulous Coach Fox, dazzling and dedicated Coach DiVittorio, wonderful and wacky Coach Weeby, introducing the fantastic Coach Foster, and hilarious Coach Hernandez. Meet imaginative Coach Emerson and sassy Star Power Shark. Let's go, girls. Come on and join us. Yahoo! Hey, Cromer Wildcats, we are really excited to offer you a virtual spring season of Girls on the Run. Woo!
Season begins Monday, March 29th, and it culminates Saturday, May 22nd with a celebratory 5K.
Registration begins Friday, February 26th. We are creating a safe space for girls to be joyful, healthy, and confident.
There's no running experience required, just a positive attitude.
There's going to be virtual physical activities, virtual games, and will create balance in your life.
Get the registration link from your teacher.
Girls on the Run!
Run is so much fun.
Good morning, Cromer kids, and it's a new day working remotely on campus, so let's see what today is. Today is Friday, February 19th, and I love today because it's our assembly day, and I look forward to it every week. I love our shout-outs, and I love the work that you submit, so keep up the good work. And we do have some birthdays today and over the weekend. So today we celebrate Bailey, and over the weekend we celebrate Iari, Carson, and Elijah. Happy birthday. I hope it's a great day from Cromer to you. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we do have our apple frudel, our chicken nuggets, and our cheeseburger. And I must admit, sometimes the menu changes, and this looks like yesterday's menu, but it's today. But you can always find out what our menu is on our FUSD website. Hey, Mrs. Knott has some fun for us today, and it's Make a Meme. And you can find free websites to make that meme that are hooked to our Google accounts. But this is mine, and you all know Spike. And it says, and that's his unicorn costume, I'm so fluffy! And yes, he is fluffy. I look forward to seeing some of your memes. I do have a new quote today. It's about kindness. Do things for people not because of who they are or what they do in return, but because of who you are. Quotes make you think, don't they? What? That Wildcat? What are you doing here, Wildcat? Oh, that Wildcat stopped by my office, and he wanted you to know that he's making some videos that are going to be on our website. So when we return to school, we can watch how to stay safe at school. And some of the ways that we're working on staying safe are wearing a mask, and I always have my mask, Can you tell what it is today? It's a troll. We wash our hands all of the time. We stay in our own space. And we're going to be thinking of different ways that we can say hi, maybe with high fives, elbow bumps, fist bumps, you name it. Let's see how we can stay safe when we return to school. So look for those videos. And finally, if you can stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by that moment of silence, it'd be greatly appreciated. And no guests this week. Come on, kids, send in those pledges so we can get some guests up. I look forward to them next week. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Miss Fishel here. Woo. My shout out this week goes to Renna in Miss Harkey's class. I am so proud of her. She took a I can't moment, which is where she started, and she ended in a I love my picture moment. And she went from just not even feeling like she could do something, and she worked and worked and worked all class and ended up just in an amazing place. So if that's not perseverance, I don't know what is. Good job, Miss Renna. Thank you.
Awesome. Speaking of perseverance, I would like to shout out some fifth graders who continue to be on top of the ball, working hard every week in music class, and continue to turn in their assignments. So those people are Dylan W., Madison, Aiden, both Hannahs, Dalen, and Dawn. Thank you so much for all of your hard work.
Good job, you guys.
Boys and girls, Miss Jones here, and I too have a shout out for Hannah in Miss Weevy's class. She really worked very hard to get me 5 book reports so that I could send her a coupon to Pizza Edge. That was a great job, Hannah. Good job on your book reports. Keep it up.
Woohoo! Perseverance is a big word, especially with it landing on Mars today. Well, yesterday, because we filmed on Thursday. Anyway, oh my gosh, 2,298 lives have been saved by us Cromer Heart Heroes. Woo, amazing. And again, I got my list adding on, and it keeps on growing. Woohoo!
Good job, you guys.
All right, great job with all that money. Yes, this is Miss D. I have a shout out to Moses in 3rd grade for being my IT guy. That means tech, just in case you didn't know. And a shout out to Rhea in 5th grade. Amazing. I loved working with her today. She was my partner. Excellent work. Thanks.
Woohoo! You guys are amazing.
It will keep on turning.
Hello, Cromer. Miss Edwards here, and I would like to shout out my friends who have been actively participating and asking questions throughout the week on Zoom. So that's Farron Lee, I have Emily, Danae, Kanhoya, I have Ty, Cambrielle, Rogue, Grace, Emma, Preston, Thaden, and our new friend Neve has been asking questions and participating too. So welcome, Neve, and thank you, friends.
Awesome. So first, I would like to shout out, and I know Miss Edwards wants to too, and Miss Severs, how awesome Miss Fano's class did this week. It was so great that even though Miss Fano wasn't here this week, you guys were so helpful to your substitute. You made it to your reading groups on time and to specials. So good job, 1st grade. That is so awesome. We're so proud of you. In my class this week, I'd like to give a shout out to Carter. Carter, it was so fun getting to talk to you the other day and getting to see all the awesome things that you're working on up in the Safe Learning Center. That was so cool, bud. And I'd also like to give a shout out to our friend Peyton. This week, Peyton was very helpful with all of her friends, getting them set up on different things with their new Zoom filters. So Peyton, thank you so much for being such a good friend.
Hi, Cromer. It's Miss Severs. This week, I want to shout out Zachary for always participating with us and working super hard on Lexia. Have a nice weekend, Cromer. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Harkey, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Mia. You have been working so hard this week, and I have loved seeing how hard you're working in our reading groups. Keep up the great work. Thanks, Mia.
Hi, I'm Miss Oliva. I want to shout out Brooke this week. You have been working so hard on Lexia, and I've been so proud of you in reading groups. I love your work, and your attitude has been amazing. Good job.
Hi, I'm Miss Hope. I want to shout out Bianca for the week. You have done such a great job participating in your reading group. Keep up the good work.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lee, and I would like to shout out Malachi for all of his hard work in reading group this week. Malachi, you've been doing a wonderful job and working so hard. Thank you.
Miss Sharp here, and I wanted to give a great big shout out to Bruce. You have done such a great job working in our small group reading and making sure you're focused and ready to go. And I can always count on you to have that positive attitude and to help us out when we're talking about some of our vocabulary words. So way to go, Bruce. Keep it up.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Flores. I would like to shout out Chrissy for being super engaged on the math lesson I gave today. Thank you, Chrissy, for making it so fun to teach.
Thanks, guys. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Happy Friday. This week I would like to give 2 shout outs. My first one goes out to Elila for being such a great addition to our classroom and working so hard to learn all about Zoom and Canvas. We're so happy to have you join us. And I would also like to give a shout out to Trey for all of his amazing ideas and contributions to our discussion on landslides. I was really impressed with all of your creative ideas, so thank you.
Hi, Cromer Wildcats, Mrs. Kaiser here. This week I'd like to send my shout out to 3 students who went above and beyond on Lexia. Kaylin put in 160 minutes, Talia 155 minutes, and Italia got her 67 minutes in meeting her goal as well. So I'm really proud of the 3 of you. And a special shout out to Miss D for sending the NASA link so we could all watch Perseverance land on Mars today. So that was really exciting. Thank you, Miss D. That was great.
I agree. Miss Marquardt here. I agree. Thank you, Miss C. We got to watch it in your class as it happened. That was super exciting. My shout out goes to Haley for doing her 54 minutes in Lexia. Getting those minutes in. And then I also want to do a special shout out to Levi for doing his 5, being part of my high 5 group in Dreambox and getting those 5 lessons done. Nice job, Levi.
Hi, this is Miss Hicks. I would like to give a shout out to Susie for doing so well in math today and keep persevering and trying. So awesome job, Susie.
All right. Have a great weekend.
By the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Oh, Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea. Sing it with us. And frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. A little louder, Puff, the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked.
I've been looking high and low, far and wide above below, turning boxes inside out. I've been going round and round, never thought that I would find the key inside me. When I feel a little down and all I want to do is frown, close my eyes and then I say, everything will be okay. I got every possibility inside me. And I'm so happy that I found the key inside me. Mama told me shine your light for everybody, everybody. Papa told me, shine your light for everybody. There's beauty in my fingertips, beauty in my hair and lips, beauty in the way I speak, beauty in my dancing feet, beauty when I love what I can be inside me. So when you feel a little down and all you want to do is frown, close your eyes and then you say, everything will be okay. You've got what it takes to make it through inside you. Yeah, you've got what it takes to make it through inside you. Mama told me, shine your light for everybody, everybody. Papa told me, shine your light for everybody, everybody. Sister told me, shine your light for everybody, everybody. My brother told me, shine